guys, welcome to Joykoo. Today we got a big box. This is from Deye. I bought 2 pieces of Deye inverter. This is a 5 kW inverter, hybrid type. So now let's check what we can get in this big box. Okay, this is a bracket for installation the inverter on the wall. And this is a user manual. This one is Wi-Fi part. This is a Wi-Fi part. And here is some screw and some cables inside. Oh, it's heavy. And next, I will install this inverter and test this inverter with JOYKOO Energy Storage Lithium battery. Okay, let's go. You will get 4 pieces, this type screw and your bracket.
A few moments later.
Okay, now I finished all connection, and in the next video I will show you the different testing for JOYKOO battery and the Deye inverter. See you next time.